la tre ban lạnh. He agreed to go. La tre ban lạnh. He agreed to go. Uta briew uong. That man said. Uta briew uong. That man said. That man said. But skhem yanga, but what do pyllait? Hold me tight and don't let go. But skhem yanga, but what do pyllait? Hold me tight and don't let go. Khynnah uong ngala ban le kumta. The boy said, I can do it that way. Khynnah uong ngala ban le kumta. The boy said, I can do it that way. Briew ula sdang ban kiew. The man started to climb. Briew ula sdang ban kiew. The man started to climb. Katba khynnah udang sno skhem au, while the boy is still holding tight on him. While the boy is still holding tight on him. Khynnah ula kylli. The boy questioned. The boy questioned. Khynnah ula kylli. The boy questioned. Pidan jingbam shibon. Do you have lots of food? Pidan jingbam shibon. Do you have lots of food? Briew uong what kren but skhem. The man said, don't speak, hold on tight. Briew uong what kren but skhem. The man said, don't speak, hold on tight. Khynnah la klet. The boy forgot. Khynnah la klet. The boy forgot. The boy forgot. Uong pidan ruti bahe katne. He said, do you have bread this much big? He said, do you have bread this much big? Por peni nuksa ula pyllait kikti. When he showed an example, he let go his hand. When he showed an example, he let go his hand. Khynnah khlem like him. The boy didn't survive. Khynnah khlem like him. The boy didn't survive. The boy didn't survive. Jinghikai kalong. The teaching is. The teaching is. What kwah rahah. Don't be greedy. What kwah rahah. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Long kiba iaishah. Have patience. Long kiba iaishah. Have patience. Long kiba iaishah. Have patience. Have patience.